I'm just sick of you always wearing t-shirts. Like we try to go out to a nice date or go to a nice dinner and you're just always
These are comfortable. This is what I like.
I want you to look nice. Wear something like...
I don't have anything that fits me though.
Okay, well, we're gonna try to find something.
Welcome.
Hi.
Hi.
Hi, what's your name?
I'm Joe. This is my wife, Celeste.
Hi.
Joe, Celeste, thank you for coming. My name is Tommaso. How can I help you today?
We just need to get him a couple little shirts because he likes to wear t-shirts.
They are the most comfortable, so that's what you need.
Well, t-shirts are comfortable, but our Truwear shirts are extremely comfortable, extremely. Now, do you know what size you are, what you wear? Have you dimensions?
I mean, not my dimensions, no. XL, double XL, something like that. I don't know.
Looking for a standard fit, for a slim fit, any?
I mean, definitely not slim, probably standard overall.
Well, I think we'll go standard. Is it gonna be like box? That's the only thing with box or like standard.
That's one of the beauty of Truwear. Okay. Our standard is comfortable, but at the same time, you know, it just puts in everything. You know, you have strong shoulder, strong arms, so his arms and shoulder will look good, but also you will feel very comfortable.
Okay.
And also I noticed that it gets filthy.
Wow. Okay,
He likes to spill on his clothes.
Easy. That's one of the beauty of Truwear clothing. Okay. Not only are very comfortable, but also are stain resistant. So the best of both worlds. So as for the measurements, we start with the neck measurements.
Is there like any rule of thumb that you do?
So it's very important that you leave one finger between to give more comfort to the neck.
To the neck. Oh, okay.
So in this case, it's an 18.5.
Okay.
Now let's do the chest, if you don't mind, Joe, to extend your wings. Very good.
Do you do anything about like sweat?
You know, matter of the fact, don't worry, Joe, don't worry. Matter of fact, our clothes, our materials at Truwear, they are moisture wicking.
Oh, cool, okay.
They are amazing. So really, it would be a great solution for you, a great solution for you.
More for you.
Sweat,
So perfect, we have measurement here. And then the third important measurement is about your arm. So if you don't want to turn around, please.
Oh.
Thank you. So the length of the sleeves. So we start from this point, okay? And then go from here to the end of the shoulder, and then up to the bone here on the wrist.
Okay, perfect.
In this case, it's
So
35.
like the spine and then down, okay.
Exactly,
Okay.
exactly. So these three key measurements are extremely important. So your neck size, his chest, and his arm length. In this case, Joe is an XXL, okay? So in fact, if you're ready...
More cushion, more room.
Yeah,
Right?
you know, strong shoulder, strong arms, like a girl.
Yeah.
Simple, as simple as that. And now we were going to get you try one of our t-shirts. You will love it. You will love it.
Perfect.
Looking good. What do you think, Celeste?
I love it. It looks good. Like I do. I really like that, and I love that color.
Now, this is a great color on you.
How does it feel?
Thank you. Feels good.
Do you like it?
You can stretch and move with you really well. I like it.
You see, not only, I mean, as, you know, as the stretch is extremely comfortable, but it's not boxy. You know, we have these unique darts that allows tailor, but it's not constrictive, and then it's a very elastic and comfortable. This looks wonderful.
I do like that because you do have broad shoulders, so I think that looks really good.
Yeah, good.
I think we'll take one of your shirts, that pattern,
That one is nice, yeah.
and then I think a couple other patterns.
So, Joe, Celeste, here is your shirt, Joe. I hope
Thank you.
you're enjoying it. It looks great on you already. This is great.
Looks great.
And,
I love it.
And Celeste, if you need to purchase any other shirt for him, either you go in his closet, look at his favorite shirt, hopefully it would be a Truwear, and make sure that you look at the size of his neck,
Okay.
and also the size for the sleeves.
Okay.
And then if you have some problems, it's always better to go one size up, because that will solve any issue in the future.
So if he's in between sizes, you just recommend going up?
Yeah,
Oh, okay.
that's absolutely the best way to do that.
Perfect. Good to know.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Tommaso.
You're
Thanks for all
welcome.
your help.
Pleasure
Appreciate
to have
it.
you here. Come again.